What's up guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you need to create an account on Phantom Wallet. And to start off you need to make sure that you have the app installed on your device. And I'm using an iOS device and I downloaded it from my app store. The app finished with downloading, so I'm in the app right now. This is the first screen that will pop up when you are inside of the app. Welcome to Phantom. To get started, create a new wallet or import an existing one. I don't have a wallet yet, so I'm going to click on I agree to the terms of service, and now I'm going to click on create a new wallet. So if you already have a wallet, you just go and click on the I already have a wallet thing here below, and I'm going for create a new wallet. I can continue with my email or with a seed phrase wallet. I'm going to continue with my email. And now you can choose if you want to continue with Apple or Google, and I'm going with Apple now. After you logged in with Google or Apple, you need to set up your Face ID and you need to set up a PIN. And I've already done that, so I skip to this part. And here you can see that I'm inside the app. My account is created and now I can start sending crypto or receive crypto or swap or buy. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And then I'll see you guys in the next one.